that you roll with. My earring fell out.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. If you're anything like me, you're wearing this as a protective hairstyle and you might have had it in for the last 2 weeks because that's how long I've had mine in for. It's a great hairstyle because it literally looks the same every day. You don't have to touch it apart from maybe just laying down your edges, and you might start to get a little bit of frizz like this after the 2 weeks like I have. But if you just take good care of it and wear a bonnet every night, or wear a bonnet like all the time until you're going out, then this can actually last a really long time. But you might just get bored of having it down like this. The point of this video is to help you switch it up and have some really cute hairstyles. So if you do feel like switching up your twists and just trying something a little bit different so it doesn't feel completely same every day, then this video is going to be perfect for you. Just turn to the side because I'm looking at all of this hair accessories that I have right here. A lot of these are from my brand. These are from my brand. So if you want to check out my brand, then it's in the description box down below. It's called Headshie Hair. I don't want to keep on rambling through this. I know that you guys like some quick snappy videos sometimes, even though I like to talk. I'm not going to talk to you again until the end of the video, so I'm going to ask you now to kindly thumbs up the video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so that you don't miss my uploads. And let's get into it. I might talk a little bit. You can't silence me! I was born to speak. The first hairstyle is to simply wear a headband, because those are in style right now and they're super cute. Ooh. It's fake. Don't worry about it. I got it on Etsy. Am I a princess?
Yes.
You can of course wear one of mine, which is the Headshie. This is a headband and a scrunchie in one. I'll stop talking about it so much, but just so you know, it's the best thing that was ever invented in the world, and it was invented by me. So you just put it on like this. Ignore my frizz. It's been like 2 weeks, okay? A high, half up, half down, featuring the Gucci hair tie. This is so cute!
Perfect.
matching ones, matching colours. That's important. And it also helps if it has something to do with your outfit. Like if you're wearing white, maybe you can wear white scrunchies. If you're wearing pink, you could wear pink scrunchies. It definitely helps with the overall aesthetic, and it just helps you to look more put together overall. So I'm wearing blue, and this almost matches my top perfectly and my eye color today. These lenses are by MTPR and BTS, the K-pop group. In case we didn't know, everything is linked in the description box, including the lenses, the lashes, and these. You didn't stop to notice the bunchies that you roll with. My earring fell out. Oh, cool. We are now halfway through the hairstyles and I'm getting distracted by TikTok.
Perfect.
I don't know why this hairstyle's got me feeling like mischievous. I don't know why. What is this? I want to go and do some mischief, like a little mischievous pixie.
Perfect.
there you have it. That was a ton of hairstyles that you can wear when you have twists in, so you can literally never get bored of this hairstyle. It's one of the best protective hairstyles, one of the easiest to do. If you don't know how to do twists like this, then go and watch my tutorial. It's up here, but you should know how to do it by now, and now you have all of these hairstyles at your disposal as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. If you did, please thumbs it up. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Get me on Instagram for all of the blessings and the breakdowns. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!